The first International Universal Expo was inaugurated today by Animal Husbandry Minister and BJP leader A.L. Haq at the Polo Parking Lot, Shillong. This expo will continue till 27th February. Apart from India, there are stalls from the foreign countries which include Thailand, Bangladesh, Afghanistan, Dubai stalls. Addressing on this occasion, A.L. Haq said that this type of expo would boost the local entrepreneur. They should also get a chance to open up stalls to showcase their products.
We can make local but think global. That we can flourish. So my point is, today when we talk about to promote the local entrepreneurs, first we have to know the demand drivens of the markets. Many of us, we just make the products without having any demand. The main important is we have to see first which product.
A 52-year-old woman tragically lost her life